Welcome back, YouTube, for another market analysis for the London session and potentially into US session. Today we'll be going over S&P 500 and gold, checking out some levels we're probably looking to trade during the London session. And if these levels hold up into the US session, we'll use them as well to trade during the US session. So let's go ahead and hop into it. We're going to start with the 10 tick here on S&P 500. We did have a bit of a pullback in the morning, and then we popped right back up into our level of resistance. And you can see right now we are touching these 3700s. We're finding some resistance here. Got resistance level between 3701.50 to about 3704.75. This is where I'm looking to see if the market continues to hold the resistance. Now, if we don't and we get right through that level, then we are going to try to see if the market can climb into those 3710s and then maybe about 3720 from there. But for now, we are going to look to see if the market holds this level as resistance. For now, we're looking for the market to come into this area and look for a V top or a double top move and then bring the market right back down into the support level right here. Minor level of support, 36.91.50. If we get through that level, we are going to look for the market to come into these 78 to 82s. That's what we're going to be looking for. So this is going to be what we're looking for on S&P. Again, if you guys do want to trade this 91.50, you can, but very minor levels, prior level of resistance that reacted as support. And you can use this level if you get a good price action movement here for the opportunity to get a bounce to the upside, or even rejections under this level to get the pull down into the support down here. But more major levels, 78 to about 82 is going to be your more major levels of support. Right now, again, we are looking for that market to get into this area right here, 3701 to 3704, and then reject it. If we get that rejection, we'll look for that press right back down into the minor level support 91.50. Let's take a look at a 5 tick here on S&P, get a bit of a closer view. So this is what we're looking at on this 5 tick here. Again, this is the information that we want to see. We want to get that move right back in to the level of resistance, which is going to be right around those. That top side of 3704 is going to be the highest peak I'm looking for the market to get to, and then find that nice rejection off that level. If we can get that nice double top move and bring it right back down, mid 96. Minor level 91, 92, right down into this area. If we can't, you will look for something along the lines of a break through this level and then a pullback, maybe get a nice support here. If we get nice support on the prior peaks of resistance, then we'll look for a continuation of move into those 3710s, 3720s. That's going to be a good opportunity there. Now, if we get underneath this level, 91.50, again, look for that rejection and then see if we can get that opportunity to pull it down into the 82s and then 78s from there. Now let's take a look at gold here real quickly. Gold is still moving up. We're in a consolidational period right now on gold. Nice consolidation. We got a level of resistance sitting somewhere around these 1869.6s. Above that, you can see a little bit more of a level of resistance somewhere around 1871.6. That's the top peak there. Right over here is the top peak. We want to see if this market just breaks right through. If not, in a consolidation, you want to sell high and then buy low. So in this consolidation, you are going to be looking at two separate areas. 1869.6 is the first level of rejection. If we get it and it fails, we are going to look for that market to pull back into the support down here. Right around 66 to about 64.7 is our first levels of support that we're going to be looking at in this consolidation. If we get underneath that level, we are going to look for the market to get through and then reject this price here and then come back down to our next level of 59.1. We did have a nice day on gold, good opportunities there on gold. But again, we're coming right into a consolidation. Want to play that by selling high and buying low. Let's take a look at a 5 tick here real quickly. We are coming right into our level of 69.6 and rejecting that price right now. As we can see, it is rejecting here as resistance. If we do get that continued rejection, look for the market to pull back down into its levels of support. Pretty easy to see on this consolidation. If you get back to support at 66 to 64 and it fails to get through that level, you can also look for the market to bounce off this, get maybe a nice double bottom, and then pull it right back up into its levels of resistance. Again, underneath 64 will bring us down to 59.1, and above this 70 here, we could potentially try to look for the market to climb into the 71s, and then if we get through that, we're going to see 72 to 74, and then head on up from there. So that is it for S&P 500 and also gold. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Hopefully it helps out with your trading during the London session and the US session. If you guys have any questions, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you guys again did like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. Again, we are going to be launching Pure Structured Trading soon. Pretty excited, a lot of information coming out, a lot of content coming out. If you guys have any questions or any interest, feel free to pop into the website, add your email in there, and we will send you some emails when the website opens up or when we launch it. Other than that, guys, you guys have a great night. You guys take care.